Okay, so he is our candidate. Now, please come in. Come inside. Yes, come in.
May I come in, sir?
Yeah, come in, please.
Thank you, sir. Hi, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, very good evening. How are you?
Fine, sir. What's about you?
Yeah, same here. So, may I have a CV, please?
Yes, sir.
Can I have a CV? Just hold this. Thank you. Can you show me that? Yes. Thank you. May I have a pen, please?
Sure, sir.
Okay. Thank you. This is the way out.
Yes.
Now, please have it.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay. So, may I have your name, please? Your name?
Sir, my name is Vatsal Kashyap.
Vatsal.
Yes, sir.
So, how are you, Vatsal?
Fine, sir.
Good.
What's about you?
Yeah, same here. So, from where are you coming?
Sir, I'm from Gorakhpur.
And from where are you coming?
Sir, from home?
From home. Okay. How much it's far from here?
Yes, sir.
How much far it's from here, your home?
Sir, it's approx 200 meters.
Okay. So now, are you relaxed?
Yes, sir.
Good. Are you ready for?
Yes, sir.
Good. So, Vatsal, first tell me that about yourself.
Well, my name is Vatsal Kashyap. My father, Mr. Santosh Kumar, is the chief editor of Hindi weekly newspaper. I born and brought up at Gorakhpur.
Mhm.
Right now, I am pursuing O level from NILET.
Mhm.
A part of this, I am also pursuing CSPD courses. I am optimistic and friendly in nature. As per my family concern, I have my parents and my sibling. Vatsal is a person who never gives.
You never give up.
Yes.
Can you let me know that any incident when you shown that you did not give up?
Sir, it was the last night when I was doing my project of Excel.
Mhm.
Sir, there was a sum that I am trying for approx 3 hours.
Hmm.
The sum is not like resulting accurate,
Hmm.
but at last, uh,
You did.
yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is the reason that you chose this profile?
Sir, I am keenly interested to become a captain of a ship, so I chose this profile.
Okay. If I do not select you, then what will you do?
Sir, I will try to find out my mistakes, overcome them, and again come to you.
Okay. After 5 years, where would you like to see yourself?
Sir, after 5 years, I would like to see myself as a successful mariner.
Okay. And what should be quality such kind of the mariner?
Sir, he should be initiative,
Hmm.
a team worker,
Hmm.
and the most important thing that he has to be honest.
Okay.
Yes.
So you know very well that is you have to work on marine. So means I think so. Out of 12 months, you will be work. Okay,
Yes, sir.
over there for 6 months. So are you able to work over there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the 6 months is like a criteria.
Hmm.
The 6 months is like assumed to be a tax-free person.
For tax-free person.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. And what will you give to my organization?
Sir, I shall utilize all my skills and knowledge for the growth of your organization.
So what kind of the knowledge and skills do you have?
Sir, like I am well sound with communication,
Mhm.
MS Office, LibreOffice, as I am also good as team worker.
Okay. So what is the LibreOffice? What is this?
So LibreOffice is an open source alternative of MS Office.
Okay. And what do you want to my company?
Sir, I want to be a company that if I have any problem, then I can directly contact my seniors, and the organization provide me time to time training by which I can improve my skills for the growth of the company.
Okay. And after a few years, where would you like to see yourself?
So I would like to see myself as a successful man.
And what the reason that you didn't choose another organization?
So I didn't chose another organization
Hmm.
because here I found a healthy environment, a competitive environment, and growth opportunity.
Okay. And the reason is that thing is right now, most of the people they are thinking about their bright career.
Yes, sir.
So how do you feel like that? Ki, are you able to make your career here? On which behalf?
Sir, firstly, I am confident that I am like not studying in the like a corporate of 9 to 11 job and just go to office early in the morning and just come back, be tired.
Hmm.
I just want like a different job, like as like no one never talk about. They never talk about becoming a mariner or a air hostess or like these kind of jobs.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay. So do you have any questions to ask?
So I want to know your company's numbers.
Okay. If you get selection, so we'll let you know, right? Okay. And who is your ideal person?
So my father is my ideal person.
Okay. Reason?
Sir, his pragmatic nature.
So how much do you follow this quality?
So as much as I can.
Okay. And what's your weakness?
Sir, if I just start a work, then until the work gets completed, I do not watch over the clock.
Okay. And how can I believe on you that you can be beneficial for this organization? Because since morning there's more than 100 people have come here,
Yes.
and everybody told that I will do hard work, I will do the work of honesty. How Vatsal is differ to others?
Sir, I believe that I am different from others because I already worked as an assistant manager
Hmm.
in my father's office.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay. So can you make focus on the this point over there right now? You know the politics, Indian politics.
Yes.
How where is it lacking? If you talk about the Indian politics, so where is it lacking?
Sir, it is lacking. Uh, Sir, recently the budget which is published,
Hmm.
if we talk about on that basis, there is something on financial management they are lacking on.
Mhm.
Yes,
Okay.
that's the only thing.
And what's your quotes on the Indian education systems? What's your quotes? What's your opinion on Indian education system?
Sir, that's fantastic.
Okay. So, what's your expected salary? It is nearby in the 20 to 25k. So, how much do you expect?
Sir, I expect of 24K.
24k.
Yes.
Okay. And why it should not be 25k?
Sir, as I am a fresher, I want to learn many things too.
Hmm.
So I
Okay. Great. So, are you ready to relocate?
yes,
Okay.
yes,
There will be the you have to report you will have to report within a 15 days. So, are you able to go over
Yes.
there 15 days within a 15 days?
yes, yes.
Okay, that's good. So, okay, we'll let you know as soon as possible what will the result, and now it's good of that, right? Now I can move on. You can move on. You can move on. Take your time. You can. ओके सो फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं मैं यहाँ पे इन कैंडिडेट्स के जो है स्टेटमेंट्स बनाता हूँ जो उनके फीडबैक होते हैं। इस फीडबैक के बेस पर ये आपको यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा उल्टा दिख रहा है। दैट इज़ यहाँ पे CON का मतलब होता है कॉन्फिडेंस, कम्युनिकेशन, बॉडी लैंग्वेज, एवरीथिंग, आई कॉन्टैक्ट, ग्रामर मिस्टेक्स। सो डे बाई डे मीन्स बाय द डेट आई मेंशन देयर फीडबैक। मैं इनका फीडबैक लेता हूँ और फिर इनको बताता हूँ कि कहाँ पे ये अभी अच्छा कर रहे हैं, कहाँ पे इनका कमी हो रहा है, और फिर जब तक ये पूरी स्टेटमेंट जो है पॉजिटिव नहीं हो जाती है इनके इंटरव्यूज़ चलते रहते हैं। तो अभी देखिए यहाँ पे इनके मैक्सिमम पॉजिटिव हो चुके हैं, 2 और रह गए। ये जिस दिन ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, ये टोटली हमारे इंटरव्यू के लिए तैयार हो जाएंगे। ओके, सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप लोग इस जो भी फीडबैक चल रहा है उसको आप बताते रहिए, ठीक है?